If you're getting lots of junk leads, this video is exactly for you. So one of our clients from Boston was facing the exact same issue. And the problem was they were getting leads, but there were fake numbers, job seekers, wrong location, or maybe no buying budget as well. So the owner said they are just going to fire the agency. And the symptoms were quite obvious. Meta was sending us leads, but all of them were rubbish leads. And the owner's perspective was, why don't we change the targeting, raise the budget, or maybe replace the agency? But this was not going to solve the problem for them. Try to understand this thing. Whenever lead arrives, Meta just says, oh, the form has been submitted. That's mean success. But business knew this person will never buy from us. Only one of the truths went back to Meta. So every form submitted was a win for the Meta, but in real, it was just a junk lead. And so the same loop kept on repeating. Somebody saw the ad, filled the form, Meta took it, oh wow, this is a success, and then find more people who have the same behavior, and that way you get more and more junk by the time. Because only sales knew the real truth. Meta never received it. Meta had no idea about the budget fits, meeting booked, disqualified, or customer won. Everything was just invisible to Meta. So we placed Leo between the ads and the rep. I'll tell you how. So from Meta ads, Leo captures the lead. Leo qualifies the lead with 11 quality checks and then gives it to the right rep. But you must be wondering, how is that solving the issue for us? I'll tell you how. So when Leo captures any lead, it filters it out, reviews it, qualifies it, and if that lead was actually good, and whatever the result of that lead would be, it will go back to Meta. So Meta knows which leads won and which were disqualified. So let's take an example. A lead arrives, Leo gives 11 quality checks, and if the score is bad, Leo will mark it as junk and give that information to Meta. So now it's a two-way route. Meta gives leads to Leo, Leo captures it, scores it, routes it to the right rep, and after that, all the information about the lead, whether it was qualified, disqualified, it won, all that information is given back to Meta. So Meta is actually learning from Leo that which leads are actually worth giving time and which are not. So Meta can decide which is the correct audience for our business. And if you want to understand how this can be enabled for your business, comment down Leo and we'll help you with it.